because I have a treat for you today. This is an addition to my Josephine Wall collection now. I showed you a few books just before this. I add this to the books that I bought about Josephine Wall. And this one is different from the others in that this is kind of like her biography. Her biography. This is Josephine Wall's Palette of Dreams, written by Susan Brandenburg. And it's forwarded by another one of her fan club and compatriots. And it is printed, it feels like a self-published book, and that's fine. It has an ISBN on it. It's a print on demand, probably. Let's see. The profits from the sale of this book will be donated to Dr. Pat Sager Lane Fund for the preservation of fine art. Isn't that awesome? This is printed by, let me see, I know it's, okay, Sunbeams to You Publishing. Sunbeams, the number 2, the letter U, dash, publishing.com. You can go to paletteofdreams.com. It was done copyrighted in 2011 by Patricia Sager Lane and George Bertram Lane, and it is written by Susan Brandenburg. Now, this is so beautifully done, really beautifully done. I want to read you a quote of hers in the very beginning. No message is more powerful or has more impact than an image created by an artist driven by the desire to preserve all that is good in the world and to vanquish all that is against nature. Isn't that beautiful? It also goes through not just the copyright information, the front pages go through all the credits, of course, the chapters, an alphabetical art and photo index, alphabetical art index by title in the back. This is something that the others don't have, even though she's done a lot more since 2011. This gives you the background of her, where she was born, stuff from her childhood, what got her involved in artwork. It gives you some of her earlier work in here. It tells you about her growing up a little bit. It tells you about her marriage and her life in England, and you know, how she felt about some of the art that she was doing while she was doing it. It talks about her cruises and her fan club. If I ever go on another cruise, it will be a Josephine Wall cruise. I don't care if I am the worst painter in the world. I don't care if I have to take my diamond painting and do that while other people are doing their oil paintings. Whatever, I'm going to. I just realized, you know, in reading the intro in the beginning, that she was recently in Philadelphia. I am only an hour outside of Philadelphia, and I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, she has a website that her fan club runs, I believe. It's www.josephine-wall-imagination-art.com. Can you see that? I will also link that down below in the description box so that you can link directly to Josephine Wall's page. And yeah, I'm just starting the chapter at the very beginning. I've looked through this like 20 times already. I haven't read it yet, other than the foreword, but I cannot wait. It says, climb aboard her magical butterfly carpet and join Josephine Wall on a journey to her enchanted land of spirit of imagination art. Okay? She loves wisteria. She lives in England. So I just wanted to show you. I ordered all of these. I believe I ordered all of them off of Amazon. Different vendors, but they all came from Amazon.com. I'm sure if you look those things up, you could find them online as well. Now, I want to share this. This week, depending on when you're watching this, when I'm taping it this week, they came out with a Josephine Wall mystery kit. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! I cannot wait to dig into this. I promise, with a lot of the other YouTubers, creators, that I will not give away more than like a section of what I'm doing at the time. Okay, and from that you can guess. I went online last night and I just double checked that it was the picture I was thinking of. And it is. I mean, they give you the title right underneath this washi tape here. And, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. I'm so overexcited about this. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. I gotta show it to you. Alright, you know all the blah-de-blah about the packaging and the Scan Me and the affiliate and all that kind of stuff, right? So, I don't need to show you all the details. I want to get into the canvas and that's it. And again, I'm going to put some washi tape on top of this. And this will go on the outside of the box. And I will cover up any identifying information on the inside. You get the normal toolkit with all the baggies and the hearts and the tray, the clear tray, and the, it's a square, so you have a tweezers. Now, I've heard some people asking why are all the mystery kits in square? Well, that's because, I'll show you in a second here. That's because when you do rounds, you have a gap. Like when you put 2 circles or 4 circles together, you're going to have these little gaps in the middle where the circles don't touch each other. In those gaps where the corners of a square would be, they need to have a color behind it that kind of goes with the color, or matches the color that's going to go on top of it. They do these mystery kits in all black and white, so that it's truly beautiful as it blossoms into color as you add the drills to it. Which means they can't put the color on the canvas itself, only the black and white. So squares cover up the entire square, pretty much the entire square. From a distance you can't see in between those squares. That's why they don't make round mystery kits. I hope that clears up some of the confusion. Now see? See? It's all in black and white. Crazy, crazy, crazy. To say that it's clear, well, yes, it's clear. It's all white with black letters. The legend has the sequence number, has the symbol, has the DMC color number. Does it have any, yes, it has 4 ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ABs that are below the number 150. But of course, I don't know what colors they are because these aren't colored. And I don't know where they go. Anyway, I don't want to show you the entire thing. Let me roll it up this way so I can show you the drills. Might widen you out here so you can see everything. But I'm only going to show you a part of the canvas at a time. Again, you can only roll it up like this, opposite it, when you have a poured glue canvas with a clear plastic cover. Okay? Nope. Okay, so inside every kit, you know, you get the little instruction booklet, 10% off. You also know you can get 15% off your very first purchase from Diamond Art Club by clicking my affiliate link down below. Okay, and after having covered up the name on here, this is the sheet that comes in all Diamond Art Clubs. It's a big sticker sheet with each of the individual colors in their own individual little sticker. So it helps you kit up. This kit will be 27.6 inches by 35 inches, or 70 by 89 centimeters. Okay, a square kit. And it will have 63 colors with 4 Aurora Borealis, which is the shiny drills. Speaking of shiny drills, I'm going to open this up just a little bit because I think you can see the colors better on the black and white. But again, I'm not showing you the whole canvas. I ain't doing that. Okay, I'm going to... Whoa! Oh! I'm bringing you in. See the drills. Okay. Look at this palette of colors. Vivid, beautiful colors. Oh. There's an AB. A yellow AB. Greens and turquoises and blues and browns and brilliant other colors. Okay, I'm going to commence the drill train. How am I getting there with you? The numeros. Here we go. I'm going to commence the drill training here. From most to least. One of them was white. There we go. White ABs. Swing colors. Let's see if I can get you going again. Here. Oh my. The colors are so vivid. What do you imagine it will be? What do you imagine these colors will put together to make? You know her fantasy realm. I'm looking for ABs, and so far I haven't heard you shout out with any yet. Here you go. Oh, there's one. There's an olive green. Yeah, and you know ABs are Aurora Borealis, the shiny ones. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. They keep you in suspense. I should have kept myself in suspense too, but it's a little hard when I have to put the tape over the pictures. Right? Did I do this train? I'm not sure. Yeah, I did it. It has the 3 10s in it. Okay, I'm going to whip you out again, then I'm going to put the drills away and show you how I'm going to... This will almost be like a paint by number when we're done, huh? Okay. On the bottom left and top right, you have the schematic, the key. And what I'm going to do, when I open the drill packs, I am going to glue 1 diamond of that color along this strip, 1 or 2 of each color right along where it belongs, so that when I look at these symbols on the canvas, I'll know what color I'm going to be doing. It'll help me out to look for the right color when I'm, you know, when I'm kitting up, when I'm using the drills out of the kit that I use. I'll show you when I kit it up how I'm going to be doing it. This is probably my next painting, y'all. I'm going to do it along with everybody else. This is going to be my next painting. I'm almost done with Galaxy Girl. I'll show you that when I'm finished. I'm going to finish that by the end of February. Before then, maybe. And I'll kit this up and I'll work along with you guys in March. So, More surprises to come, and I cannot wait to show you this painting. I can't wait to do it with you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about all this Josephine wall. If you want to, not just in the individual days, I am starting a Josephine wall playlist that you can see. If you go into my main channel, you'll see a whole bunch of playlists. I started one for each individual artist that I adore. Josephine Wall is the first one that has a whole bunch in it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the playlist of all Josephine Wall down below, and join me as I do this mystery kit. Can't wait to show you, divas. Bye. See you soon.